Hello guys, how are you? I'm going to do only 2 bonus buy in Siren spell today. I did like there is something that I'm gonna show you guys on the next video, or it can be the first video. I played what is it, Sugar Rush with 20 cent. I put it on 1000 spins. I was only having 18 rand in my account. I deposited 18 rand. Then I played with 20 cent. Gave me 100 and something. I didn't give up. I said, no, I want to see something if I can make above 300. Trust me, it takes me the whole day, but I end up making 300 and something, 300 and something. Let's say 320. I will show you the video. So let's start with this one for today. Siren spell. I'm playing on Hollywood bet. So let's see what will happen. I'm just going to buy, guys. You know, I'm a bonus buyer. Let's see if we can unlock all those levels. It's been a while I was not unlocking them. The point is to make profit, guys. The point is to make profit. Okay. We might think like we might wish we needed this. Let's say we needed this on the second level. It does that because we're left with few, but I think like it's just like a waste. But let's see. Okay, at least we gain 6 rand so far, but can we unlock it? That's the question. The first bonus buy we didn't lose. Let's buy another one without wasting time. Okay, this will help a lot. And it's a big win, 11 rand. Okay, it's fine. Five to unlock the first level. Okay, we managed to unlock the first level. Let's see if what will happen to the second level. Oh, they are too far. As you have seen, guys, with the second one, it's like it's a break even in other way. So we're gonna do another two more. Let's do another two more. Still qualify for two more. Let's do two more. Okay, let's see. After the second one, then we're gonna call it over. I want to try them with pairs. It's like we're working with pairs. I thought of that at the because of physically the first one we lost, so this one actually give us something. That's how it works. So that's why this how it does. So I'm gonna spend this stage. Guys, let's see if we can unlock them. Okay, this is gonna unlock it. I didn't expect this, guys. I didn't expect that to happen. Okay, we are on profit. The seahorses. Yo, we are missing them now. Why? Just need two ladies. On the phone. Let's see, I think here we can, let's see. We're left with 5, guys. 5. To see what we want to see. Let's see. 5 to go, guys. 5. We couldn't. Guys, I give up. Like, I don't know if I should play again or not. Guys, I give up. Guys. I give up. Seriously speaking, I'm living on profit, but 5 to unlock that stage,